Hello everyone, in this video I'll be explaining on the introduction of general microbiology. And this first infection. Infection is the invasion of an organism's body tissues by disease-causing agents, their multiplication and the reaction of host tissues to the infectious agents and the toxins they produce. Infections occur when viruses, bacteria, or other microbes enter the body and begin to multiply. Disease occurs when the cells in the body are damaged as a result of infection and signs and symptoms of an illness appear. Parasite means it is a living organism which depends on a living host and derives nutrition from the host without giving any benefit to the host. Host is defined as an organism which harbors or which carries the parasite without getting any benefit from the parasite. Then vector is an organism that does not cause disease itself but which spread infection by conveying pathogens from one host to another. Species of mosquito, for example, serve as a vector for malarial infection. Next is fomites, any inanimate object that when contaminated with an or exposed to infectious agent such as pathogenic bacteria, viruses or fungi can transfer disease to a new host. Examples such as clothes, utensils and furnitures. Next is contagious disease. Infection is the effect of an foreign organism. Here in contagious disease is diseases which are transmitted to other person either by physical contact with the person suffering from the disease or by casual contact with their secretions or objects touched by them or airborne route among other routes, and where it can spread from one easily spread from one person to another, which are contagious and spread infection. Infectious disease is infection is the effect of a foreign organism in the body. Infectious diseases are disorders caused by organisms such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, or parasites. Many organisms live in or on our body. They normally harmless and or even harmful helpful, but under certain conditions some organisms may cause diseases. Zoonosis, diseases that can be transmitted from animal to people, or more specifically a disease that normally exists in animal but that can infect humans. Some examples include anthrax, ascariasis. Epizootic is denoting or relating to a disease that is temporarily prevalent and widespread in an animal population, such as in domestic livestock. Attack rate is the biostatistical measure of frequency of morbidity or speed of spread in an at-risk population. It is used in hypothetical prediction and during actual outbreak of disease. Endemic is a disease that exists permanently in a particular region or population, while epidemic is an outbreak of disease that attacks many people at about the same time or may spread through one or several communities. Pandemic is when an epidemic spread throughout the world.